Hi guys, welcome back. I want to say I'm trying something new, but technically everything on this channel is new, so let's just say I'm trying something I like to call 3 Minute Tuesday. It's basically me trying to give you some tips and information within 3 minutes-ish, so, well, let's begin. Today we'll be looking at mushrooms, and not the magic kind. I'm sure many of you are familiar with these not-so-microbial fungi, with it being used in dishes all over the world. The problem is, they have a rather short shelf life. Yes, you can store it in the chiller or the fridge, or even the freezer, but why not try dehydrating them? Not only does it make the mushrooms more space efficient, but it also intensifies their flavor, making them a lot more delicious. Yes, there are many kinds of mushrooms in the world, but for this video I have chosen a select few that are more commonly found in your supermarkets. These would be the white button mushroom, the shiitake mushroom, the brown button mushroom, and the portobello mushroom. Now if you divert your attention to the extremely detailed infographic on screen, you will see which mushrooms have more flavor and therefore will taste better when dehydrated. With that out of the way, let's move on to the preparation method. Remember not to overcrowd your chopping board, if not, there'll be not much room. Start by slicing or quartering the portobello mushrooms. The reason is, portobello mushrooms are a lot larger than the other mushrooms, and you would want the mushrooms to dehydrate at a similar rate. Next, remove the stems from the shiitake mushrooms. These tend to be fibrous and woody and don't taste nice when dehydrated. Now grab yours or someone else's tray and place a non-stick mat on it. For those of you who don't have one, well, aluminium foil will work just fine. Place your mushrooms on the tray and pop it into your preheated oven for about 4 to 6 hours. This should give you plenty of time to contemplate the meaning of life. Once your mushrooms are done, they should look something like this. The portobello as well as the brown button mushroom will make for a very addictive snack, so try your best not to eat all of it. Apart from being a very tasty snack, the mushrooms can also be used for making a stock, pasta, grinding into powder, deep frying, risotto, making a sauce, or even throwing at someone you dislike. Once you're done, toss it in a Ziploc bag, place it in the freezer, and it should be fine for a few months. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Also, consider subscribing because it really helps the channel. One more thing is to hit the bell notification button so you get notified every single time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.